Hi everyone. For Sunday school this Sunday, we're going to make kaleidoscopes. This is a do-it-yourself project in the truest sense of the word because there are no directions. So I wanted to go through the steps with you briefly. You'll have a tube like this. One end is clear and one end has a place for your eye to look through. You'll have a piece of decorative paper for the outside of the tube, a collection of stickers that you can use to secure the paper as you decorate the outside of the tube. This is something children could do while you're helping others with the internal parts of the kaleidoscope. So what we'll do is put the paper on the outside, secure it with a sticker or two, and then decorate with many of the others. Just going to use a couple. Then we take off the clear end. Every child will have 3 mirror pieces that look like this. There's a protective film on the mirror which you will take off before the next step. I'll just show you a little bit. Makes it shinier for the reflection that we need. And all 3 of these mirror pieces go into the tube in a triangular shape. So you have to work with them a bit. They will keep the triangle when they're all inserted, but they do sort of move around a bit as you're trying. It will look like this when they're all inside the tube. You also have a little clear plastic circle. You put that on top. You have a collection of beads, which you pour into the lid like this. So your beads are in the lid. The plastic piece is on the top. You put the lid on, force it closed, and you have a kaleidoscope. When you look through here, you will see the beauty that light adds to mirrors and beads and a paper tube with plastic ends. It's a way for us to demonstrate the power of light, light in the natural world, our light as people. Jesus saying we were the light of the world, and he also said that he was the light of the world, and that light brings beauty to our lives, to the lives of people around us, and to the designs of a kaleidoscope. I hope this is helpful. I'll be around on Sunday, and we can talk if you have questions. We'll see you then. Bye.